My name is Claire Valenti, reporting in Downers Grove with the Blueprint News Network. With the amount of professional sports in season, fans across the country participate in mock drafts. Whether it be for money or fun with friends, there are many different aspects of fantasy sports that appeal to fans. Senior Caden Sexton says that part of the fun is the chance to earn bragging rights.
But I do a lot of bragging rights with mine. So we have a family league that I won back-to-back years. So I was very, very much telling all my cousins that I am the best at fantasy football and at football's knowledge in the family.
PE teacher Troy Michaelak says his favorite part of fantasy drafts fall on the side of friendly competition.
In some of the leagues that I'm in with some of the buddies that I've grown up with and known my entire life, kind of that just competitive nature of playing against your friends that are also, trying to win the league championship. So there's bragging rights on the line too.
Sophomore Vince Messina says he plays fantasy sports for the simulated coaching aspect.
Or you can just gain happiness and joy just seeing your guys play on screen and seeing them do well.
Whether it be for bragging rights, money, or the chance to watch your favorite players succeed, fantasy sports offers fun to fans who want to further explore their love of their favorite sports. I'm Claire Valenti with the Blueprint News Network in Downers Grove.